Welcome to Professor Dr. Grace's graphic class. Please watch the ad until the end so you can receive better content. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw illustrations using Draw Normal, Draw Behind, and Draw Inside. When you draw an Illustrator, Draw Normal is the default option. At the bottom of the Tools panel, you can see that Draw Normal is selected. Let's draw in this state. Click the Fill Color icon and press slash to remove the color. Click the Stroke Color icon and select Light Green in the Swatches panel. Select the Block Brush tool. Press the right bracket or the left bracket to make the brush larger or smaller, and draw the leaves by brushing over the tree branches. After selecting the brush tool in Illustrator and Photoshop, you can press the shortcut left bracket or right bracket to make the brush smaller or larger. You see all the leaves drawn on the tree. Click Draw Behind at the bottom of the Tools panel, or press the shortcut key Shift-D. Click the Stroke Color icon and select Green in the Swatches panel. Press the right bracket or the left bracket to make the brush larger or smaller, and draw the leaves by brushing over the tree branches. You see all the green leaves drawn at the back of every object. Now let's draw in the Draw Inside state, which functions the same as the clipping mask. Hold down Ctrl and select the star to use as a clipping object. Click Draw Inside at the bottom of the Tools panel or press the shortcut key Shift-D. Select the Pen tool and draw the shape. Click the Fill Color icon and select Pink in the Swatches panel. Select the Ellipse tool. Hold down Shift-Alt and draw a circle. Click the Fill Color icon and select Orange in the Swatches panel. Press V to select the Selection tool, then hold down Alt and drag the circle 4 times to copy. Press A to select the Direct Selection tool. After selecting each circle, select the desired color in the Swatches panel. Press the shortcut key Shift-D to return to Draw Normal. As you saw in this video, depending on whether you select Draw Normal, Draw Behind, or Draw Inside, you can draw a general illustration, draw behind, or draw inside a selected object. I hope this lesson was helpful for your study. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching Professor Dr. Grace's Illustrator lecture. Please watch the next video in order to follow all the courses without skipping a lesson. To keep learning and master Illustrator, please press the subscribe and the like buttons.